Don't download Grifin Finance app before watching this. If you're thinking of using Grifin Finance to manage your money or investments, stop for a moment. Most people think modern finance apps are risk-free and simplify investing effortlessly, but the surprising truth is that Grifin Finance comes with important caveats you should understand before signing up. Grifin Finance aims to provide automated investment management, budgeting tools, and financial tracking in one app. On paper, it seems like a one-stop solution, but here's where most people get it wrong. The automated investing approach may not suit every investor. The app relies heavily on preset algorithms, which means you have limited control over your portfolio. If market conditions change rapidly, your investments could be exposed to risks that the app's model doesn't adapt to quickly. Fees are another consideration. While Grifin advertises low management costs, there are additional fees tied to transactions or premium features. Over time, these small charges can add up and reduce your net returns, especially if you are investing smaller amounts. The app also lacks robust educational content. Beginners might be tempted to rely entirely on the automation without fully understanding the investment strategies, which can lead to misplaced confidence or poor long-term financial decisions. On the positive side, Grifin Finance does make tracking expenses and budgeting easier, and the app's user interface is clean and intuitive. For disciplined users who complement it with their own research and financial planning, it can be a convenient tool to streamline money management. In conclusion, don't download Grifin Finance expecting a fully hands-off, risk-free investing experience. It's best suited for users who already have some understanding of investing, are aware of fees, and are comfortable with algorithm-driven portfolio management. Used wisely, it can help organize your finances, but relying on it blindly may limit your financial growth and expose you to unforeseen risks.